Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to create own GIF and sticker on TikTok. Now let's get started. Method 1, Step 1, open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. Step 2, find and open the video you want to convert. You can use videos from your feed, your likes, or even from your own profile. But remember, only public videos or those that allow downloads and GIFs can be used. Step 3, tap the share icon on the right side of the video. Step 4, swipe or scroll through the available options and tap share as GIF. Step 5, wait while TikTok processes the video and converts it into GIF format. This only takes a few seconds. Step 6, select which part of the video you want to turn into a GIF by swiping left or right. This allows you to capture the exact moment you want. Step 7, tap generate to create the GIF. TikTok will then finalize it. Step 8, preview the GIF and decide if you want to save it to your phone or share it directly on apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Twitter. Step 9, if you choose to save it, you can find your GIF in your phone's gallery or Photos app. Method 2, Step 1, open the TikTok app and go to the video you uploaded or own. Only your own videos can be made into stickers. Step 2, tap the share icon on the video, slide the menu and tap create sticker. Step 3, select which part of the video will be used as the sticker by swiping to choose the clip. Step 4, you can add text to the sticker if you want, then tap next. Step 5, wait while TikTok processes and converts your clip into a sticker. Step 6, add a keyword for your sticker so you can find it easily and choose whether to make it public or private. Step 7, tap create sticker to save it. Your new sticker will now be available in your TikTok account. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more easy tutorials.